Hey guys, so today Mom has made some clusters over here, and a YouTuber named Care Hart has inspired Mom to do some clusters. Alright, so this is what Mom has made. As you can see, this text matches up with the other stuff, these are clusters, and these clusters are perfectly made out of paper scraps. Alright, so here's another one, and it's dreams come true. Alright, so as you can see, there are tons of stuff over here, but I'm gonna teach you how to do this cluster one step at a time. Over here you have a piece of paper, then you add that to the first layer of your cluster. Nothing really there yet until you add the second piece of the cluster. And then here's the third piece of the cluster, the felt. Here's the fourth piece, which is the more paper scraps down there. And finally we have some text that we're gonna put on top. So then we have a stapler, and then we just staple it all together. And as you can see, we made our very own cluster. Guys, it is easy as 1, 2, and 3. Some more just for Mom. So here's 1, the base. 2, the smaller, it's like a map right there, the smaller piece of scrap. 3, the felt. 4, the thin layer scraps. And 5, the text. So let's do discover. Then we're just going to go ahead and paste it right in there. There we go. And then there we go. We have our very own cluster. So over here we have some text, the base right here. And then number 2 is the map. It's a slightly thinner piece of paper. 3 is the blue felt. Pretty sure it's a different theme than the other one. 4 is the green scraps. I'm gonna use the brown side now. And then 5 is the text. Alright, so let's do imagine. And now we're just gonna staple it. Boom, you have your cluster. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So now we are going to use some different materials. We have tons of materials here on this. So for our base, we have some playing cards, actually at the top right there. And then for the second one, you have some thin paper. Over here we have some flowers, because that's what my mom loves. And then over here we have some artworks. 5, we have sheet music. I can put back, and then do that, and then that, and then add another big text. Boom, you have your cluster. All you have to do is staple it like this. That didn't really work. Boom, you got your cluster, as easy as that. Alright, so I'm not going to talk for the rest, and I'm just going to work to make more for the ideas of Mommy's Junk Journal. Boom! Hey guys, so this is a huge collection that we have, and I really hope you enjoyed our short video that we made earlier. So Bye, and I'm gonna see you in our next video. Thank you for watching so much, and thank you, Care Hart, for the amazing inspirations that you brought us today. I think we really, really appreciate that.